All right, so the next part of this activity is now to apply your shading to your burst of shapes. So this is the burst of shapes, and now you need to apply that value scale that you guys already created. So before you get to this, you need to actually finish your value scale from dark to light. Once you get done with that, you're now going to try out your value on one single shape in perspective. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to create that vanishing point, create that shape. You do not have to use a ruler to create the shape because you're just going to try this out. Using a ruler, you're going to use your ruler to line up your orthogonal lines. Now here's the top of the shape, and these are the lines that go down into the shape, which are here. These are the lines, orthogonal lines. So what you're going to do is you're now going to apply your value scale into your piece. So as it goes down, it's going to be the darkest. So what I want you to do is I want you to go in with your pencil and apply the darkest color. Then you're going to go into a medium color. Medium, so you're not pressing as hard, you're doing it lighter. Now this is the fun part. This is when you grab your tortillon, your tissue, or you rolled a piece of paper. And you're gonna go in and you're gonna blend it, not too hard, softly. And it blends it together, getting rid of all these pencil lines. And I'm doing it soft. Now, if I did it hard, this is what you would see. See how you could see all like the pressure marks? Just do it soft. Blend it so you no longer see the green of the paper with the pencil. And now I did my dark and I did my medium. Now here's my light, and it's gonna go into even lighter because I'm gonna go soft. The other aspect of using a pencil that's soft is pretty simple. You have a ruler. I mean, you have an eraser. So you can go in with your eraser and erase and make it softer if you wanted it to. And then go back in. You already have graphite on here, and you can go and blend it whichever way you choose. So I want you to try to do this on one shape first, okay? Once you guys get done with that, then you're gonna try it out on here. Trust me, you're gonna wanna test it first and then go into here. So let's say this whole thing is filled up. You're gonna find your vanishing point. So this is your vanishing point. So anything that's closest to the vanishing point is gonna be the darkest color. So you're gonna go in, make sure you differentiate between your orthogonal lines and the tops of these shapes. Pay attention. And there's my dark, my medium. Also, the directionality, I think is important to know. I'm not going side by side, I'm staying within the direction of my orthogonal lines. It's almost like a fan. So I'm not going in and going this way to create the lines. I'm going up and down. I'm staying with this orthogonal line, which is the shape of the orthogonal line. Let me just fix that. Okay, so you're gonna continue doing this, the darkest down here, then you're gonna grab your blending tool, whatever you decide to use, and now I'm gonna slowly blend it, not pressing hard, very soft, and push that graphite up. Okay, some of you might say, this is dirty. It's fine, it's gonna be dirty. You can rub it off if you want, but it's gonna get, you want it to be dirty. Do it really soft as it goes up, because as it comes up to the light, that light source is now reflecting on the edge, okay? So you're gonna go through each piece like how mine is. Always stay within this direction. Never go in this way. I don't want to see that. I want to see the same direction throughout. You have to turn your paper, turn your paper. Also, if it's not dark enough, go back in, press a little harder to give that pop of black, the darkest, all the way down, okay? So you're gonna continue doing that throughout your entire piece, filling it all in. So as you can see, I would probably go back in and add some dark behind a couple of these. So the other thing that I would suggest would be definitely go back in and add some more darkness to your piece, but also erasing these tops. So my tops are dirty because as I'm drawing, my hand is rubbing and it's creating the tops to be dirty. Since you can't blow on it, since we have a mask, you might have to actually go in and rub it off, okay? So you're gonna continue doing this. The darkest part is gonna be the lowest point, not on the top. You're gonna use your blending tool to blend, not sideways. Stay in the direction of the orthogonal lines throughout your entire piece. Do not press hard. I mean, I kind of, on the edge, I kind of go straight, but I'm very light just to get that color on there. And then continue, you're gonna finish the whole thing.